Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best lug wrenches review. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5. The TONDA Extended Lug Wrench is a powerful and versatile tool designed for quick and effortless lug nut removal. Crafted from forged, heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, it delivers exceptional strength and durability while resisting wear and corrosion. The four-way design extends up to 23 inches, providing maximum leverage for loosening even the tightest nuts, while the 360-degree swivel handle speeds up operation for faster results. Equipped with double-ended sockets in 17mm, 19mm, 20mm, and 23mm sizes, along with a 1/2-inch drive, it fits a wide range of vehicles, including cars, motorcycles, RVs, and more. Its detachable structure allows the wrench to be broken down into 5 compact pieces, making storage easy in the included hard case. Reliable, portable, and efficient, this tool is an essential addition to any emergency roadside kit. Number 4. The GTE Tools Lugstrong 26 Universal Compact Lug Wrench Set is built for drivers who want maximum power and reliability during tire changes. Designed with ultra-strong alloy steel and iron construction, this heavy-duty tool delivers up to twice the torque of standard lug wrenches, making stubborn lug nuts easier to remove. Its innovative design combines the control of a 4-way wrench with the strength of a high-torque breaker bar, ensuring efficient performance in any situation. The wrench includes commonly used socket sizes: 19mm, 20mm, and 3/4 inch, plus an adapter for added versatility. A non-slip grip enhances safety and control, even in tough conditions. Compact enough to store in your spare tire compartment, it's always ready for roadside emergencies. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this durable lug wrench set offers dependable performance whenever you need it most. Number 3. The P-Group Telescoping Lug Wrench is a dependable tool designed to simplify tire changes for cars, trucks, and vans. Made from durable chrome vanadium steel, it offers excellent strength and long-lasting performance. The extendable handle adjusts from 13.38 inches to 20.48 inches, providing added leverage and increased torque to loosen stubborn lug nuts with ease. This set includes 2 double-ended sockets, covering 4 common sizes: 17mm, 19mm, 21mm, and 20mm, ensuring compatibility with most vehicles. Its electroplated finish helps resist rust, keeping the tool in great condition over time. Compact and easy to store, it comes with a convenient carry bag, making it ideal for roadside emergencies. Whether you're handling routine maintenance or unexpected flat tires, this versatile lug wrench delivers reliable performance whenever you need it. Number 2. The Torin TRX31114F Professional 4-way cross lug wrench is a durable and practical tool designed for efficient tire maintenance. Constructed from forged, heat-treated alloy steel, it offers superior strength and long-lasting reliability for everyday use. The 14-inch body length provides enhanced leverage, allowing you to loosen and tighten lug nuts with less effort. Featuring a classic 4-way cross design, it includes 4 commonly used socket sizes: 11, 16, 3/4, 13, 16, and 7/8. Making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Each socket head is precisely crafted to ensure a secure fit on different lug nut sizes. Ideal for removing and installing wheel hubs, this wrench is suitable for cars, SUVs, and light trucks. Its sturdy build and simple design make it a dependable addition to any garage or roadside emergency kit. Number 1. The CARTMAN Telescoping Lug Wrench is a reliable and versatile tool designed to make tire changes easier and more efficient. Built from hardened alloy steel, it offers durability and long-lasting performance for both everyday drivers and emergency roadside use. The telescoping handle extends up to 21 inches, providing extra leverage to loosen tight lug nuts with minimal effort, and conveniently retracts to 14 inches for compact storage in your vehicle. Equipped with a 1/2-inch drive and 4 commonly used socket sizes, 17mm, 19mm, 21mm, and 22mm. It ensures compatibility with a wide range of cars and light trucks. Precision construction enhances strength and stability during use. Lightweight, yet sturdy, this wheel wrench is easy to handle and transport. It also comes with a convenient carry bag, keeping everything organized and ready whenever you need it.